So today what we're doing for the first time is about to treat the very first patient in Australia with this new MRI linear accelerator, which is the first in the southern hemisphere. So this machine allows us to very accurately and precisely see the location of a tumour and also monitor it as it moves. This allows us therefore to treat the tumour with a very tight margin, which allows us to give a high dose much more safely. John's been a great patient. I've known him for 5 years. I initially treated his prostate cancer back in 2014. He now has a small cluster of lymph nodes in the pelvis, which we cannot see on our conventional linear accelerator. So this machine allows us to actually see the tumour, target it accurately and treat it to a very high dose in the hope that this will then delay progression of his disease.
I was diagnosed approximately five and a half years ago. It was stage 9 aggressive. Immediately I come under Dr. Alex Tan's attention, and he has treated me from that day until now. It's a question mark every day. You live in hope that it'll just go away on its own, but we know it won't. The staff have taken me through the machine, how the machine works, what it does, and the benefits of this new technology. I believe it'll improve at 100%. But the important thing is not to think of yourself, but to think of other people. And the people that this will help, the people it will save, the relief it'll give to hundreds of people in North Queensland.
I'm so happy, so proud. It's a day of celebration, a monumental achievement. We are at the forefront of cancer care, not only in Queensland but across the country, and it truly is a very significant achievement.